Hello students, welcome back. In the ancient period, they calculate the time based on the position of the sun in the sky. But now we have watches, then mobiles, clock, etc. More electronic items we have to measure or read the time. And today we are going to discuss about time, how to read and write time. Here you can see one clock and so many things are here. It has 3 needles and there are 12 digits. The needles that are called hands of the clock. It is called hands. And this green one, the smaller one, that always indicate the hour. It always indicates or shows the hour. That is called, so it is called hour hand. It is called hour hand. And the next bigger one, the red one, that always shows the minute. That always shows the minutes. Each minute it will show. So it is called minute hand. It is called minute hand. And the bigger one, that always show seconds. So it is called second hand. So 3 hands are there. That one shows the hour, that called hour hand. Then second one that shows minute, it called minute hand. And the third one that always shows the seconds, and it is called second hand. Now we need to know how to read the time or how to check the time. Here in this clock, what is the time? Here it shows, the hour hand shows, it is on 12. The arrow is on 12. So it is 12. Then the minute hand is on 5. We can write 12:5. Why? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 12. This shows always hour. That means hour. If it is in the case of minute, it is not 5. It is not 4. It is not 3. Then how will you check? What is that? For that, it shows each minute. Here you can see lot of points. And the first point, this one is 0, 0. It is always 0. We start with 0. And the first one, this is 1 minute. This is 2 minutes. This line shows 3 minutes. This line shows 4. So 1 is indicated as 5. 1 means 1. This one shows it is 5 minutes. When the minute hand is on 1, it shows it is 5 minutes. Okay. Now this one 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 indicates 10. So each number is the multiple of 5. Just multiply 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5. That's an easy method. So 2 shows 10. And this one 11, 12, 13, 14, 3 indicates 15. Like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 up to 25. 6 means 30 minutes. And the minute hand is on 7, it is 35. It is on 8, it is called 40 minutes. It is on 9, it is 45 minutes. It is on 10, it is 50. It is on 11, it is 55. And it is on 12, it is 60. But we are not right. 12:60. If it is the minute hand is on 12 and the hour hand is on 12, we are not right. 12:60. This is the next type. It is 12:00. Are not right. We only write up to 59. 11:59. 11:59. Then 11:59. Next one is after 11:59 it is 12 o'clock. 12:00. We are not right. 11:60. 11:60 means it is 11:60 means it is 12 o'clock. Here 12:16. How I write 12 o'clock? Because the hour hand and the minute hand is on 12. So we are not right 12:60, it is 12 o'clock. But the hour hand is on 1 and the minute hand is on 12, it is 1 o'clock. Okay. Now, if this 1 to 12 is always indicate hour, and for the minute 12 means 00, 1 means 5, and 2 means 10, 3 means 15, 4 means 20, 5 means 25, 6 means 30, 7 means 35, 8 means 40, 9 means 45, 10 means 50, 11 means 55 minutes. If it is the minute hand is on 11, it is 55 minutes. The hour hand is on 11, it is 11 hour. The minute hand is on 11, it is 55. Always remember the two things. First one is the hour hand, it shows always the hour. If the smaller thing, the hour hand is on 1, it is 1 o'clock. It is on 2, it is 2 hour. It is 3 hour. But the minute hand is on 1, it is 5 minutes. If the minute hand is on 2, it is 10 minutes. If the minute hand is on 3, it is 15 minutes. If it is on 8, it is 40 minutes. Okay, always remember that. Now you can check what time is it. We need to check the time. We need to know what time each clock shows. First one, that is this one. Here we can see the hour hand is between 4 and 5. Hour hand is between 4 and 5. So it shows 4 hour, not 5 hour. If it is between two numbers, the lesser number we will take. Here it shows 4 and the symbol. Then where is the minute hand? Yes, it is on 6. But for minute we are not writing 6. It is, yes, it is 30. For 6 it is 30. So the time is 4:30. Next one. Where is the hour hand? Yes, it is between 2 and 3. So we write 2 hand. The minute hand is on 6. And now write 6. It is 30. 2:30. The clock shows 2:30. And the next one. Where is the hour hand? Yes, it is between. It is not in the 5. It is between 4 and 5. So we write 4. And where is the minute hand? As it is on 9. So we write 9 means how many minutes? It is 45. So we write 4:45. Next one. Our hand is between 9 and 10. So we write 9 and it is on 6. So we write 30. 9:30. Next one. The hour hand is on 2. So we write 2 and the minute has in 12. 12 means 60, but we not write 16. Remember that we write 0, 0. That I say 2 o'clock. We can say it as 2 o'clock. Then next one, hour hand is on 11 and minute hand is on 12. We write 0, 0. This time is 11. 11 hour. It shows 11 hour. Then seventh one. Yes, it is on 6 and minute hand is on 12. So it is 6 o'clock. Then the minute hand, sorry, the hour hand is it is between 12 and it is past 12. So we write 12. And the minute hand is on 3. That means 15. So the time is 12:15. Last one. Can you say the last one? Yes, it is. The hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Once more. The first one that shows 4:30. Second one 2:30. Third one 4:45. Fourth one 9:30. Fifth one 2 o'clock. And the sixth one 11 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 12:15. And the last one, that is 5 o'clock. 10. So in this way we are write the time. Now next one is how to read time. We can divide clock into two halves. This is past and this is 2. When the minute hand is on the right half of the clock, that means this side. If the minute hand is on the right half of the clock, if it is on here, the time is read or written as the number of minutes past the hour. If the minute hand is on 2 and the hour hand is on 1, we can say it as 1:10. Or we can write the time is 1:10. Or we can say 10 minutes past 1. Or we can say 10 minutes past 1. When the minute hand is on the right half of the clock, the time is read or written as the number of minutes past the hour. For example, 5:10 read as 10 minutes past 5. Another example, I will read to 20. 20 means the minute hand is on here. It is the right side, right half. So we can read it as 20 minutes past 2. We can read as 20 minutes past 2. 10. When the minute hand is on the left half of the clock, if it is on the left half, the time is read or written as the number of minutes to the next hour. Number of minutes to the next hour. I will check. For example, if the minute hand is on 8 and the hour hand is on between 10 and 11, we can read it as, we can write it is 10:40. We can write it as 10:40. But we are not read it as 40 minutes past 10. Here we use when the minute hand is on the left half of the clock, the time is read or written as the number of minutes to the next hour. Next hour means that is 11 o'clock. Next hour is 11 o'clock. How many more minutes need to get 11 o'clock? Here we need to subtract the minute from 60. Minute was on 40. So subtract this one. So we got 20. So here we say 20 minutes to 11. We read it as 20 minutes to 11. We are not read 40 minutes past 10. We read it as 20 minutes to 11. Time written as the number of minutes to the next hour. Here 10 is the hour. Next hour means 11 o'clock. So we need to check how many more minutes to 11. 40 plus 20 is 60. For that we subtract 60 minus 40. That means 20. So 20 minutes to 11. One more example. If it is the hour hand is on between 9 and 10 and the minute hand is on 11, the time is it is 9:55. I will read this one. How many more minutes to the next hour? It takes 5 more minutes. I will check 60 minus 55. Subtract the minute from the 60. That is 5. When we subtract this one, we got 5. That means 5 minutes to the next hour. Next hour is 10. 9:55 read us and 5 minutes to 10. Okay. And here, when the minute hand is on the left half of the clock, the time is read or written as the number of minutes to the next hour. For example, 6:45 read as 50 minutes to 7. one more thing, if it is 30 minutes, then we call it as half. Instead of 30 minutes, we call it as half. Instead of 50 minutes, it is quarter. That means here we can write 50 minutes to 7. 50 means quarter. We can write quarter to 7. 50 minutes means quarter. Instead of 50 minutes, we can write quarter. So we can rewrite it as quarter to 7. We can rewrite it as quarter to 7. Okay, once more. When the minute hand is on the right half of the clock, up to 30. If it is up to 30, that means the right half, up to 30, from 0 to 30. The 1 to 30, the minute hand is written as the number of minutes past the hour. How many minutes past the given hour? And when the minute hand is the left half of the clock, that means 31 to 59. Time is read or written as the number of minutes to the next hour, 31 to 59. Okay, is it clear? Then we can write some examples. Here the first one, 4:45. Here the minute hand is on the left half. It is on the left half. 45 is on the left half. 45 means 9. So it is on the left half. So we read or written as the number. How many minutes to the next hour? To the next hour. Next hour is 5. Now we need to check how many more minutes to 5 o'clock. For that, we subtract 45 from 50. That is, 60. That is 15. So we can write it as 15 minutes to 5. Instead of 15 minutes, we can write quarter. So we can write quarter to 5. 15 minutes to 5, or we can write quarter to 5. Then next one, 6:30. That means 30 minutes past 6. How many minutes past the hour? Here 30 minutes past 6. So write 30 minutes past 6. Instead of 30 minutes, we can use one word. Yes, half past 6. We can write half past 6. Next one, 9:15. It is on the right half. So it is past 2. Past. How many minutes past 9? 15 minutes past 9. 15 minutes past 9. Or we can write, instead of 50 minutes, that is quarter. Quarter past 9. And the last one, it is 7:10. I will read this one. 10 minutes means the right half of the side. 10 means 2. It is on the right half. So we can read it as 10 minutes past 7. 10 minutes past 7. 10 minutes past 7. The minute hand is on the right half of the clock. It is past 2. If it is on the left side, it is 2, the next hour. Okay, so once more, first one is 15 minutes to 5, or we can say quarter to 5. Second one is 6:30. We can read it as 6:30 minutes past 6, or half past 6. And fourth one, 9:15. 15 minutes, it is on the right half. So we can write 15 minutes past 9, or it is quarter past 9. And the last one, 10 minutes past 7. We can read it as 10 minutes past 7. Once more, today we discuss about the 3 hands. Hour hand, that shows the hour. Second one, minute hand, that shows the minute. Third one, second hand, that shows the seconds. Then how to write time. Then have to read time. For reading the time, we divide the clock into two halves. The right side it is past, the left side to the next hour. Okay, remember that things. And your homework question, let us try 6.1. Question number 1 it's A, B, C, and question number B2 it's B and C. Please write it in your textbook, and these notes, the PDF, you must write in your notebook. And so today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.